Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing elements of a story. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. After going through this lesson, you are expected to analyze a story in terms of its story elements. When reading a story, you should take note of the story elements for better understanding. One day, a man wanted to sell his son's donkey to buy medicine for his sick wife. He brought the donkey to the market. "Could you buy my donkey?" he asked his friend in a store. "I'm sorry, I have no use for a donkey," his friend replied. So the man went to Francis' bookshop. "Could you buy my donkey?" "No, I have truck that carries my goods," Francis said. Then he went to an old lady's pet shop. "Your donkey is too old to be my pet," complained the old lady. As the man was looking for somebody to buy his donkey, he met the baker's wife. "My husband is looking for a donkey to carry the sacks of flour from the port," she said. The man went to the baker and sold his son's donkey. He said, Now I have money for my wife's medicine." The highlighted words: one day, market, store, Francis bookshop, and old lady's pet shop in the story are the places and time when the story happened. They are the setting of the story. The encircled words: man, wife, his friend, Francis, old lady, baker's wife, husband, and baker are the characters. The underlined words are the series of events that gives the plot of the story. The plot of the story includes beginning, middle, and ending. It also includes the conflicts of the resolution. The man's lack of money for his wife's medicine is the conflict. On the other hand, selling the donkey becomes the resolution of the conflict or the problem. A story has three basic elements. These are characters, setting, and the plot. Character. A character is a person or animal who takes part in the action in a story. Setting. The setting is the time and place wherein the story happens. Plot. A plot is a series of events and character actions that relate to central topic. Let's do this. Read the story below and analyze it in terms of its story elements. Given in the following numbers are the elements of the story. Identify them as to setting, character, or plot. One Saturday morning, Peter woke up early to prepare breakfast for her mother. It was his mother's birthday and he wanted to surprise her. He cooked fried rice, fried egg, and hot dog for her. He set the table and put the cake that he bought yesterday. When his mother came out of her room, she was very surprised. Peter's mother is a character. One Saturday morning is the setting. Peter cooks breakfast to surprise his mother on her birthday. This is a plot. Peter. This is a character. Peter's mother was surprised to see her breakfast and birthday cake. This is also a plot. Let's do this. Read the story below and complete the table by analyzing the underlined story elements. It was summer. The Solomon family wanted to go on a journey. Dad wanted to go Cebu. Mom wanted to go to Bohol. Mark and Benedict wanted to go to Boracay. They loved going to the ocean. In the end, the family decided to go Boracay. They went to the seashore right away. The sand on the beach was fine and white. There were boats with white sails on the blue sea. Mark built a sand castle. Benedict decided to ride a bike, but he bumped into a rock and fell. He got all bruised and blooded. Benedict was sad. He could not swim that day. Elements of the story. The settings are summer, seashore, and beach. The characters are Dad, Mom, Mark, and Benedict. The plot or events are the Solomon family wanted to go on a journey. The family decided to go to Boracay. Mark built a sand castle. Benedict decided to ride a bike, but he bumped into a rock and fell. Benedict was sad. Let's do this. Read the story below and analyze its elements. Encircle the setting, underline the character, and box the plot or event in items 1 to 4. At 5 o'clock in the morning, the sun came up. A friendly ladybug flew in front from the left. It saw a leaf with many aphids on it and decided to have them for breakfast. But just then, a grouchy ladybug flew in from the right. It too saw the aphids and wanted them for breakfast. "Good morning," said the friendly ladybug. "Go away," shouted the grouchy ladybug. "I want those aphids." "We can share them," suggested the friendly ladybug. "No, they are mine, all mine," screamed the grouchy ladybug. Encircle the setting, underline the character, and box the plot or event. Friendly ladybug is underlined. 5 o'clock in the morning is encircle. It saw a leaf with many aphids on it and decided to have them for breakfast. Let's box it. Grouchy ladybug shouted on the friendly ladybug. Let's box it. Let's do this. Read the paragraph below and analyze the story by completing the diagram below. Every Friday afternoon, the parents of Mayo Parada Elementary School go to their children's learning center. They submit the answer sheets to the teachers and at the same time get the new one for the following week. They are making sure that they are observing health protocols by wearing face masks and face shield. They are also spraying alcohol and following physical distancing. The situation is challenging for parents, teachers, and especially the pupils, but they are working hand in hand to continue learning in this time of pandemic. The settings are Friday afternoon and Mayao Parada Elementary School. The characters are parents, teachers. The events are they submit the answer sheets to the teachers. They are making sure that they are observing health protocols. Let's do this. Read the story, Pablo and the Eggs. Analyze the story and complete the graphic organizer below by supplying its elements. Pablo and the Eggs. Pete, the grasshopper, and his friend Pablo, the praying mantis, were playing in the garden. One day, they found some small round objects in the grass. Pablo wanted to play with them because they looked like small balls. He was about to pick them up when Pete stopped him. "Those are not playthings. They looked like small eggs," Pete said. "No, they are not eggs. I am going to play with these balls," Pablo insisted. He got two and prepared to throw them. Suddenly, the eggs broke, and out came little bugs. Pablo was surprised. "Oh, they're alive," he said as each ran in different directions. Pete laughed and the frightened Pablo, "See, I told you." The title of the story is Pablo and the Eggs. Settings are garden and the grass. The characters are Pete and Pablo. Plot or events. The beginning, Pete and Pablo were playing in the garden. One day, they found small round objects in the grass. Middle, he was about to pick them up when Pete stopped him. Suddenly, the eggs broke and out came little bugs. Ending, Pablo was surprised. Pete laughed at the frightened Pablo. I understand that the story has three basic elements. These are the characters, the setting, and the plot, which includes the conflict and the resolution. I realize that we need to know these elements in order to understand well the story. I need to learn to remember all these elements for me to understand all the stories I am reading. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.